Hi everyone, it's one more 3 a.m. challenge. Do not spin a fidget spinner at 3 a.m. It's high time to start. That's my fidget spinner. What is that? Oh, don't worry, it's just the camera light. Let's spin it to see if anything happens. It seems to be okay, nothing happens. Please comment down below how many fidget spinners you've got and which one is your favorite. Have you seen it? I didn't do anything. It's moving on its own. Oh my god, that's really scary. Let's spin it, maybe something else happens at 3 a.m. Wow, it changed its color. Let's spin it again. It turned red. So cool. And one more time. It turned blue. It's really awesome. So that was my 3 a.m. fidget spinner video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!